Have you ever been told your house is too outdated to sell? That buyers would never pay top dollar unless you remodeled the kitchen and the bathrooms first? Well, today's property proves that might not be true. A homeowner in Mount Prospect accepted a cash offer thinking they were getting a fair deal. But just a few weeks later, that same house sold for dramatically more. Let me show you what happened. So, this property is located in Mount Prospect, which is a village in Cook County. It's part of Elk Grove and Wheeling Townships, about 20 miles northwest of downtown Chicago and approximately 4 miles north of O'Hare Airport. It's a brick, split level home built in 1967. It has just over 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an attached garage. On April 22nd, the homeowner sold it to one of those we buy houses as is for cash companies for $325,000. So, what happened next? Did they completely remodel the home? Did they install a brand new kitchen? Completely renovate both bathrooms? Add any square footage? Because for the value to jump by well over $100,000, they must have done something incredible, right? Let's take a look. Okay, looking through these listing photos, it appears they painted the home, they installed new carpeting, they cleaned everything up. But here's what really stood out to me. The kitchen wasn't remodeled, the bathrooms weren't remodeled. So if you've ever been told that no buyer would want your older kitchen or your outdated bathrooms, this sale tells a completely different story. Just 22 days after buying the property, the investor listed with a realtor. The asking price, $449,900. Now think about that. In just 3 weeks, the asking price increased by almost $125,000. Did paint and carpet alone create that much value? Or was the home simply worth more all along? I'll let you decide. Well, the market answered that question pretty quickly. Property went under contract in only 8 days. And not because it had a brand new designer kitchen, not because every bathroom looked like something from HGTV. It sold because buyers clearly saw value in the home. So in the end, the investor purchased the property for $325,000. Did what appears to be mostly paint, carpet, cleaning, and some digital photos. And they sold it for over asking at $470,000. That's a difference of $145,000. Now, I can't say with certainty that the original homeowner would have sold for $470,000 if they had listed it on the open market. Maybe this buyer had already bought another home. Maybe timing played a role. Real estate is never guaranteed. But based on everything I've seen, I believe there's a very good chance the seller could have received significantly more than the cash offer by exposing the property to every buyer instead of just one investor. Now, I'm not saying cash buyers are always bad. Sometimes they're exactly the right solution if someone is in a situation and they need to sell fast and they need money fast. But a cash offer can make sense then. But before accepting one, find out what your home might be worth on the open market. Getting a second opinion could literally be worth tens of thousands of dollars. If you've seen one of these cash offers yourself, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy these real examples, don't forget to subscribe because I have many, many more still to come.